Mikey Pipes, are you suffering a case of bad water pressure in your hotel room? Well, I got a solution for you. It's going to take you 10 seconds. You need your fingers. Look how easy this is, ladies and gentlemen. You need your fingers. Look at that. Night and day difference. Easy peasy. If you enjoyed this quick little hotel bathroom hack, thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, if you travel, do not rely on toilet paper to take care of your number two. When I travel with this. See this little guy right here? This is called a Toto portable bidet. It's kind of gonna be hard to do this one-handed, but you open it up, right? Like this. Now, if you had two hands, that would have taken like a split second, right? And you turn the water on. See how it's flowing freely? You flip up the top. Boom, like that. You go like that. You fill it up with water, right? Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Sink stoppage. Nope. And now, when you need to take care of business, you see that? A little schwitz right up there. And it's got some reach. See that? And there's two settings. Let's conserve water. You know, for all of the liberal people out there. We have soft and we have hard. And it's a little more, see? Good stuff. So when I travel with this cool and amazing product. It keeps everything hygienically clean where it needs to be clean. And there's a link down in the description box down below. It runs on one AA battery and it lasts for like, I don't know, 50 or like 60, like, bzz, bzz, bzz. It's good stuff. Get rid of toilet paper. Link in the description box down below. All right, guys, be well. God bless. Stay safe.